Well, hello, and thank you for joining me for another ITWire video. I'm joined today by Soeren Michl. He's the Director of Global Transformation Solutions at Software AG. Welcome to the program.
Hi. Hi, Alex.
So I thought we'd just start at the beginning, and if you could please tell us about Software AG in 2019 and how it's evolved over the last 50 years, which is, quite a milestone.
Yes, so Software AG was founded in 1969, and our roots are in the mainframe business when we developed the first high-performance transactional database called Adabus. Believe it or not, Adabus is still alive and well today, and it is still responsible for running many core business systems and applications. Nowadays, our business focuses on three additional areas. It is integration with our web methods platform, IoT, and business transformation powered by Alphabet and Aris. So these four core areas, with these four core areas, we provide our customers freedom as a service. And freedom is a powerful word. It literally means being free of any constraints, being able to choose your own path. We want to empower our customers by providing them the freedom to choose the technology independently, especially nowadays. It is getting harder to anticipate and predict the future as much as we did in the past. So to avoid bottlenecks, we provide our customers the freedom to develop and innovate without being locked in to a specific vendor. So this is why we provide freedom as a service.
Sure. Well, I mean, the whole as a service thing has been around for the past 20 years, and it's obviously grown and evolved and matured, and delivering freedom is a good thing. Now,
yeah, hopefully.
Can you tell us a little bit about your role in as the Director of Global Transformation Solutions?
Yes, sure. So as a Director of Global Transformation Solutions, I work in the Alphabet Solution Center based in Berlin, Germany. As enterprise architecture and IT portfolio management are historically quite complex topics, we develop solutions which help to reduce complexity and simplify the way you manage your portfolios. In my specific role, I support the regions in positioning these solutions, helping our customers leveraging these solutions and simplify their portfolios as well as their enterprise landscape.
And, over the past 2 or 3 years, the buzzword has been digital transformation. So does your role encompass that also?
Absolutely. So for us, and I see that the major challenges today are these digital transformation, and for organizations need to stay ahead of the fast pace of innovation and native or digital native competition. There's so many topics like IoT, like AI, like microservices, blockchain, cloud, and all are playing an important part in the digital transformation journey.
And I guess helping customers do all of that helps them to avoid the disruptors by disrupting themselves by upgrading to the latest technologies.
Yes, absolutely. Especially if you think about homegrown IT landscapes with a legacy system being agile and to leverage these technology trends is a real challenge and requires transparency about your current systems and their impact, as well as a certain amount of planning. So in order for organizations to stay competitive, to stay relevant and agile, they need transparency into the existing IT landscape and how it supports the business. So this is an important part because it's digital transformation transforms the business. And without this transparency, an effective transformation planning becomes very difficult, expensive, and time-consuming.
So given what you've just said, what are the other major IT challenges that organizations are facing in 2019 and throughout the coming next decade?
Yes, so as I said, the digital transformation is the main part, and you have a lot of digital or companies which came up in the last couple of years. So they're really digital native companies, and they're disrupting the entire, they can disrupt an entire business and industry.
Well, we've seen that with, you know, the major, the Airbnbs and Ubers, and obviously in the
Absolutely. Absolutely.
It's happening as well. So, you know, you've mentioned Alphabet for IT portfolio management. You're now in version 10.4. So what are some of the recent improvements and upgrades to Alphabet? And, you know, how is this new version supporting those major IT challenges that you spoke about?
Yeah, Alphabet is a platform with a comprehensive set of capabilities, supporting many use cases such as IT cost reduction, cloud migration planning, or even business and IT alignment, which is important, as we mentioned before. With our solutions, we focus on making these use cases and more as accessible to our customers as possible. Simplifying and standardizing the solution is key for fast time to value. In addition, we invested a lot in keep on investing in supporting large user communities. The number of non-IT users will increase as portfolio management is not only an IT topic anymore, and it needs to answer important business questions, about your digital transformation.
So what are the main mistakes that you're seeing, you know, your current and future customers making in setting up a portfolio practice, and how can these best be avoided?
Yeah, so a lot of customers forget to take the entire organization with them. And so they try to achieve 100% right at the beginning. And another common mistake is keeping portfolio management within IT. As mentioned, portfolio management today has to answer important business questions. So, and this is with our extensive experience in the field, we created solutions such as Alphabet Fastlane, or solutions we co-developed with partners. These solutions are a quick start to a portfolio management practice. They solve many challenges and focus on answering questions which are really relevant for the business. In a fast world like today, no one wants to spend a significant amount of time in implementing tools. With our solutions, we are able to deliver immediate value. And I think this is an important part.
And any hints as to what the roadmap will look like for Alphabet going into the future?
Yes, so we will keep on investing in topics such as a conversational user interface or end-user driven analytics to really support these large user communities. Further, enhancing our capabilities in supporting agile enterprises with an integrated portfolio approach is a priority for us as well. And last but not least, we will keep on investing in creating these solutions, which I mentioned before, to deliver immediate value for our customers. And these are the three main parts.
Now, if we were to look into the crystal ball, I always like to ask the people I'm interviewing about the future. How do you think the tech world will look in 2029 as we sit here on the cusp of the 2020s?
Yes, today as we enter our 50th year as a company, we are feeling bold enough to offer an answer. Our customer transform and we transform as well. Beginning of this year, we introduced our new strategy, Helix. And Helix is really a multi-year pathway to sustainable, profitable growth. And with Helix, we focus on customer centricity. And today, data is key, and it will be even more important in future. Eliminating gatekeepers and providing access to data in an easy way, democratizing the data will make the difference. I believe with our strategic positioning and our focus on topics such as IoT and analytics or integration, we have the capability to help our customers being innovative and differentiate through agility or efficiency.
Now, one of the questions I also like to ask as we get towards the end of the interview is just if you could please share some of the best advice that you've received to help you get where you are today.
One advice was don't try to be the smartest guy in the room. And this really counts because now in every situation, with every person, from every person, you can learn a lot. And I think this is an important part.
Well, there's no question about that. So what is your final message to ITWire viewers and readers and to your current and future customers and partners?
Today, organizations require a fast and agile approach to change and to transform, but transparency and a certain amount of planning helps moving in the right direction and understanding the challenges on this journey. The main message, we are keen to support our customers facing the challenge of digital transformation today and tomorrow, and we are very keen about that.
Well, Soeren Michl, Director of Global Transformation Solutions at Software AG, thank you very much for your time, and I hope we can talk again in the future.
Thanks, Alex.